Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Hi, I'm April, and today we are going to be making some delicious cinnamon and sugar muffins. This recipe is a recipe I've made many times over the years, and it's really a recipe I go back to. You can also decide to add fruit if you'd like. In this video, I will be adding blueberries. I have added raspberries as well, and it comes out delicious. So let's get started. You can find this recipe and other muffin recipes at cityfoodiefarm.com. Here's a look at the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. You will need 2 eggs, baking soda, baking powder, granulated sugar, yogurt, vanilla, flour, butter, muffin tins, and blueberries if you'd like. So preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And you can use a hand mixer. I'm going to be using my KitchenAid mixer. I found that it's a lot easier. So you'll want to add your butter, and I will post the link to the recipe so you know exactly what amounts. Add your butter and sugar, and then you want to cream it together. And next you'll want to add your vanilla and your eggs, and then mix it together. And then grab a bowl. We'll be adding our dry ingredients. You'll want to add your flour and your baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and mix it together. Now you'll want to get your yogurt ready. Now I didn't really specify which kind of yogurt this is, but it's Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. And you want to turn on the machine, add in a little bit of the dry ingredients and some of the yogurt. Or you can do dried and then at the end do the yogurt, but you'll be mixing it, incorporating it all together. And just like making cookies, I like to kind of scrape down the paddle, make sure everything is used. Scrape down the sides, make sure it's all mixed in. And what I'm gonna try, because let's just face it, baking is messy. Muffins especially are messy. So what I'm gonna do for this video is put it in a Ziploc bag and basically pipe it into the liners. And hopefully it's a little less messy. And then just cut the corner of the bag. Now you'll wanna get your blueberries ready. You won't need a ton of these. And then we're gonna be making the cinnamon and sugar mixture that will go inside the muffins and on top. So you'll need sugar, granulated sugar, and cinnamon. This really smells amazing with the cinnamon, and there's a lot of cinnamon in here. You want to grab your muffin tin and your liners and just start piping or adding the batter. You want to fill just a little bit at the bottom of each cup, and then using that cinnamon and sugar mixture, adding a layer of it. And then if you're using the blueberries, you'll want to I put 3 of them in the middle layer, and then I will do 3 on the top. So it is batter, or the dough, cinnamon and sugar, the dough, and then cinnamon sugar. And for these, I did half and half. You know, my kids are not really into the blueberry muffins, so I do half of them cinnamon sugar, half blueberry. I personally love this recipe with fruit in it. Even raspberries are delicious. So you could do whatever you want. Okay, these muffins are officially ready for the oven, and you will be baking them for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. See, I got half blueberry, half cinnamon and sugar. And just wait. Your house is gonna smell amazing. And they are done. Don't they look delicious? And I'll show you what I always do to make sure they're fully cooked. I just take a knife and stick it in the muffin and make sure that it's clean. It doesn't have any batter that's left. And that's it. I'll show you exactly what these look like inside. These blueberry muffins are so good. Let me show you the cinnamon and sugar. These are also delicious. And when you cut them in half, you can see the layers, just like the blueberry ones. I hope you guys enjoy these muffins. I know we go back to them all the time. This is our go-to muffin. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.